Here's how to cancel SuperGrok subscription on your Grok AI app. Let's get to it. On your Grok app, you need to press on this in the top left menu icon. Then on the bottom right, press on the cog icon. After that, you need to scroll down in settings page. You're going to find subscription under it, SuperGrok. Press on this to manage the subscription. Then on the bottom, you're going to find this manage subscription button. Press here and it's going to take you over to the Google Play manage subscription page. On it, on the bottom again, you're going to see this cancel subscription. Press here. Now you can give a reason for canceling if you want to from here, or just press on this cancel subscription on the bottom right. And that's it. Now your subscription has been canceled. And if you go back here on the top right, press here and then go to payments and subscriptions, and you're going to find that Grok has been cancelled. And that's it. That's how to cancel SuperGrok subscription on Grok AI app. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Grok AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.